Hi there. I'll start with the ICP weekly chart to show you the primary Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. Starting with the weekly chart, from Wyckoff perspective, ICP is currently in the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. You see all these orange tags are the accumulation stage. Okay, the blue tags are the distribution. So as of this moment, the test is stabilizing above the 2.05 reg T level. It hasn't changed since the dropping from the automatic rally back in February this year. So this range bound situation between 2.05 all the way to 4.35 remains the base case. Okay. Then the most important levels right now, of course, the reg T level, and then 3.45, the yellow T level. Why here? It's basically because of what happened in mid-May. Because otherwise, it would be the 4.35 instead. But anyway, that gives us the short-term top for the range bound. It's supposed to be 4.35 because when the sign of strength happens, we want the price to go back to challenge 4.35 and better 5.18. That's where the automatic rally, you see the candlestick, the wicks reach to that range. So that's what we want to see when liquidity finally comes back to ICP. Then how about the daily chart? The short-term setup. Here, it is still within the medium term. Well, it's a pretty long medium term because it started way back in February last year. So February 2025, all the way to where we are now. It is a very long gradual downtrend, other than the like excluding this sudden FOMO over there. Here, if we zoom in further, the price, of course, it came down to test the red line, but also traveling along the center line of this downtrend. So the blue dashed line over here. Currently, over the past few days, it climbed above the 2.24. We talked about this before. That's a short-term, previously resistance, now support. You can see previous activities along this line, but not very frequent. So that's why it's not something surprising that it travels up and down along this line very easily. If it is really traveling through or establishing an uptrend, let's drag these over there because those have been finished, so we can reduce this, just make it cleaner so you can see it easier. So if we move the box here, this channel box, if this is really an uptrend and the price trades along this channel, the date, of course, this date over here, it is still approaching, not yet finished through this triangle. The 15th of July is the date. If the bulls failed to defend the 2.24, and you know what happens, right? If you have been following me, the change or continuation decision. Change meaning breaking the support. In this case, a dual support, the uptrend ceiling plus the 2.24 yellow dash line, or a continuation of the trend, meaning continuation to challenge the next short-term resistance, 2.56 roughly. The dates that another 2C decision opportunity comes, it's around the 8th of August. Okay, so that's where the price will trade along this channel if it continues to do so after the 15th, instead of coming back down to challenge the red line. If it moves further up, that's where it will come to another change or continuation decision again, before it hops back to challenge the 2.8 look at what happened over here in mid-June. It came up to the 2.56 line and then gets rejected, and it gradually comes back down to the 2.05. That's the mini or micro movements within the range bound we talk about. All right. So that's ICP for now. If you can access these TA videos 2 days earlier by joining other channel members. If you want to understand key risk and narratives of major crypto, check out the other crypto updates video. See you in the next one. Thank you.